Okay guys, what we have here is a Bobcat T770. We're just going to walk around and take a look at the components. Here you have the sprockets, they're in very good condition. The tracks are in good condition, as you can see right here. And that goes for the rollers as well. This machine has a large general purpose bucket. You can see it's in very good condition. There's the auxiliary hydraulics. Other side of the undercarriage. We have inside the engine compartment. It's in very good condition. Very nice and clean. It's a serial number plate. Here's the seat and inside the cab. Very good condition.